If you need to reset your iCloud password, follow these straightforward steps to regain access to your account. This guide will help you through the process efficiently. Step 1. Go to Apple ID account page. Visit the Apple ID account page at apple.apple.com. This is where you can manage your Apple ID and reset your password. Step 2. Click on Forgot Apple ID or Password. On the login page, click the link that says Forgot Apple ID or Password. This will direct you to the password reset options. Step 3. Enter your Apple ID. Input your Apple ID email address in the provided field. This is the email associated with your iCloud account. Click Continue to proceed. Step 4. Choose a reset method. You will be prompted to select how you want to reset your password. You can choose to receive an email or answer security questions. Select your preferred method and follow the instructions. Step 5. Create a new password. Once you have verified your identity through the chosen method, you will be able to create a new password. Make sure it is strong and memorable, then confirm the new password. After completing these steps, you should be able to log into your iCloud account with your new password. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Apple support for further assistance.